everyone, this is Myung. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sauerkraut. This cultured vegetable has a long history, started from China and came to Europe. Captain Cook also used it a lot for his sea journeys. These days it is popular and I recommend you to make your own cultured vegetable because when you buy it, it is usually pricey and pasteurized, so lots of beneficial bacteria will be destroyed. And some are really salty, so you can adjust saltiness. Sauerkraut is packed with enzymes, vitamins and minerals, and contains the friendly good bacteria, and it is alkaline-rich food, so keep you young and help strengthen your immune system. Anyway, so many reasons to make your own, and it is simple to do. So here you go. So for sauerkraut I'm going to use pointed cabbage. This is very sweet. And 1 carrot and 3 or 4 cloves garlic. This is personal, so you can choose more if you wanted to. And some ginger. And this is sea salt and caraway or cumin. You can use cumin as well. I will slice the cabbage first. You can use machine to do it, but it's just one cabbage, so I will use a knife. So cut in half. So now carrot. So cut the edge off. So all the slice has been done. I'm going to grate garlic and ginger. 4 cloves of garlic and little knob of ginger. So now 1½ tablespoon sea salt and teaspoon caraway, but you can use cumin. Ingredients are so simple, mainly salt, but this ginger and garlics are optional, so if you like you can use it, but you can use just only caraway and sea salt. Next step is mix them, but you have to squeeze them hard so all juice comes out from the cabbage. That's the main thing. I just mix them all well, so this salt gets everywhere, and then leave them for 15 minutes. I used to buy sauerkraut from Polish shop. They are very good, but it was too salty. I like a little bit salty, but I don't like too salty, so I decided to start to make my own sauerkraut. Okay, I will leave like this for 15 minutes. 15 minutes has gone. I will mix them again. You can see the juice, so you have to go squeeze them. You can taste it before you finish it. This is slightly salty, so that's good, because if it's not that salty, you will get a mold. But if it's too salty, it's not good either. So just slightly salty taste, then just the right amount of salt. Because depends on this cabbage. Sometimes you need more, sometimes you need less. So start with 1½ tablespoon sea salt, and then you can increase if you need. This is more like done, so I will put in the jar. This funnel is very convenient. When you put a little bit and just press them down. The important thing is all the cabbage should be submerged. Like you can see, this lots of juice came out, so it's more like it's submerged. I will wipe a rim of jar. Okay, it's done. Very simple. This one I made a few days ago, and the freshly made one. So I will show you how to make a very simple salad with sauerkraut. So some of seaweed, and this is almost empty, but smells lovely. I will use this because they are fresh, so haven't fermented yet. So, like a spoonful of sauerkraut and some rocket leaves, and a spoonful of sriracha and teaspoon sesame seed. So this will be kind of simple lunch for me. It is all done. It was super simple to make, wasn't it? And I'm going to leave it in a warm area, but not too hot, to ferment. And it should take about 5 to 7 days to ferment, depending on the temperature and your own preference. I use it in a seaweed salad and as a condiment, and it is a great combination with avocado. In Germany and Austria, it is common with sausages and meat. Hope you enjoy my recipe, and thanks for watching. Be healthy and see you next time. Bye!